This is a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LT. Red over gray interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, OnStar, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, electronic climate control, trailer brake controls, remote start, push button start, USB for your phone. There's look at the rear seat, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, tonneau cover, lockable tailgate. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles with AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.